Hey folks, Jeff Bangerter here with Bangerter Financial Services with a look at Wall Street this week. Overreaching stalled efforts by Congress to pass a new fiscal stimulus bill. Stocks marched higher last week with the Dow Jones Industrial leading the way and the NASDAQ Composite setting multiple fresh record highs. The Dow Jones Industrial average gained 3.8%. While the Standard & Poor's 500 rose by 2.45%. The NASDAQ Composite Index climbed 2.47% for last week, and the MSCI EFA Index, which tracks developed markets overseas, advanced 2.31%. A string of encouraging news reports, including a decline in new COVID-19 cases nationwide, pushed stock prices higher throughout the week. Stocks also rallied on signs of a pickup in manufacturing activity, factory orders that came in well above estimates, and a better than expected new jobless claims numbers. Congress wasn't able to come to an agreement on a stimulus package, which disappointed some investors. But it wasn't enough to slow the daily climb in the equity markets, which the NASDAQ Composite Index closing above 11,000 for the first time, while the S&P 500 Index closed on its record high set in February of this year. Stocks drifted on Friday, even though the employment report showed that employers added 1.8 million jobs in July, lowering the unemployment rate to 10.2%. We are keeping an eye on bonds and gold. The continued rally in stock prices appears to suggest that the U.S. economy may maintain its recovery through the second half of the year and into 2021. But the bond market and gold prices suggest a different outlook. Last week, the yield on 10-year treasuries touched their lowest level since early March, signaling that the bond investors may be less convinced about economic prospects. Meanwhile, gold traded over $2,000 per ounce. While the rise in gold prices this year has been largely propelled by historically low interest rates, its reputation as a store of value has attracted investors worried about the stock market volatility and a potential uptick in inflation. Some final thoughts. It was reported last week that the U.S. and China agreed to meet by video conference on August 15th to discuss compliance with the terms of the Phase 1 trade deal. With tensions running high between the two nations, expect Wall Street to keep a close eye on any developments that may appear. This week, the economic data. Monday, we have the job opening and labor turnover survey. Wednesday, the consumer price index. Thursday is jobless claims. Friday is retail sales, industrial production, and consumer sentiment. This week, companies that are reporting earnings. Monday, we have Marriott International. Wednesday, Cisco Systems and Lyft. And Friday is DraftKings. That's all for today. This is Jeff Bangerter with Bangerter Financial Services signing off for now. Remember, we're the home of the fiscal bridging formula. If you have any questions, give us a call at 916-965-1879. Thanks for watching.